Hola, did you know that even knowing just a few words in someone's language can make a big difference? Whether you're planning a trip to Brazil or want to connect with Brazilian friends, learning some basic Portuguese greetings can open doors, and maybe even hearts. I'm your friendly guide for learning Brazilian Portuguese, and together, we'll take easy steps so you can start speaking right away, even if you've never tried Portuguese before. Let's be honest, starting a new language can feel scary. It's normal to worry about saying things wrong or not sounding like a native speaker. But here's a secret: Brazilian Portuguese pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward, and Brazilians are super patient. Mistakes are part of learning, and every word you try to say will be appreciated. Let's jump right in. Here are your first greetings. 1. Olá, olá. This means, hello. Say it with a smile. The O is like the O in go, and stress the la point too. Oi, oi. This one's even easier. It's a casual, hi. Just like the sound in boy, but shorter. Use it with friends or anyone. 3. Bom dia, bom dia. This is, good morning. Bom rhymes with home but with an M at the end. Dia sounds like, gia. Use it until around lunchtime. Point 4. Boa tarde, boa tarde, good afternoon. Boa is like, boa constrictor. Tarde is, tarde. The D sounds a bit like a soft G. Use it from lunchtime until sunset. Point 5. Boa noite, boa noite, good evening, or good night. Noite is, noite. You can use this when it gets dark, or as a way to say goodbye at night. Repeat after me and try them out loud. With just these greetings, you can already start a conversation and show respect and friendliness in any Brazilian setting. That wasn't so hard, was it? Brazilians are known for being warm and open. No matter your accent, making the effort to greet someone in Portuguese goes a long way. People will smile and help you along the way. Practice these greetings out loud, wherever you are, at home, on the street, or at a cafe. You're now ready to greet new people on your Portuguese journey. See you in the next lesson. Cheers, ciao, ciao.